I'm here in Jarrettshville, Maryland, at the sunflower fields. We're going to be shooting sunflowers today. Check these out. I checked the weather before I came out today, and they said it was going to be partly cloudy, but the sun was supposed to break through late in the day. So it's late in the day, and I don't see the sun breaking through quite yet. It's trying, but a day like this could end up being super spectacular, or it could be nothing. So we'll see. This setup reminds me of the old TV show Hee Haw, country and western show, where they would stand in the middle of these sunflowers with bib overalls. It goes back a ways. This is, what's your name?
Katie.
Katie, I just met here at the sunflower patch, and she's wearing a Holdfast camera rig, and I just thought I'd show Mr. Swaggart what his product is looking like out here. How long have you had the Holdfast?
About 5 months. I use it for weddings, really.
Oh, you shoot weddings?
Mm-hmm.
That's great.
I love it. It's amazing.
It's easy.
If I shoot without it, my hands get tired, but if I shoot with it, my hands are completely fine all day.
And yeah.
peachmayphotography@gmail.com.
I'm just doing some quick snaps of the field here just to get my aperture, my exposure correct. I'm waiting for the sunrise or sunset, and then I'm gonna probably do some long exposures and let those clouds sweep across the sky.
Put a neutral density filter in there?
Yeah, well, I'm using gradated filters right now. I do have just flat out ND filters. But I like the gradated right now because I can just darken the sky a little bit.
So you're from 4 stops to 0 stops, or what?
I have 2 in here right now. I'm probably about 4 stops down.
Okay, interesting. That'll bring that sky down.
Yeah, just bring the sky down, then I can keep the sky exposed correctly with the foreground. But it's getting a little dark for that now.
It is.
So I'm gonna get rid of one of these.
I just met Chris out here, and shooting still photos from York, PA, and check out his website. Chris.
I'm on Instagram.
Instagram, what's the name of it?
It's c.m.haag, that's HAAG _photography.
There you go, folks, check them out. One last thing, as always, if you're getting anything out of these videos, please hit the subscribe button. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.